In the quest for a healthier lifestyle and successful weight loss, it's essential to strike a balance between nutrition and taste. One delightful and nutritious way to do so is by incorporating a peanut butter banana smoothie into your daily routine. The Nutritional Powerhouse. A peanut butter banana smoothie combines two nutritional powerhouses, bananas and peanut butter. Bananas are a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals, especially potassium, which is essential for muscle function and maintaining a healthy blood pressure, boosting metabolism. One key to successful weight loss is a well-functioning metabolism. The ingredients in this smoothie can help boost your metabolism. Bananas contain vitamin B6, which is essential for converting food into energy, and peanut butter provides healthy fats and protein, both of which require more energy to digest than carbohydrates. Satiety and reduced cravings. Hunger pangs and unhealthy cravings often derail weight loss plans. The peanut butter banana smoothie is an ideal choice to keep these challenges at bay. The combination of dietary fiber from bananas and the satiating effects of peanut butter's healthy fats and protein can keep you feeling full for longer periods. Balanced macros. For effective weight loss, it's crucial to consume a balance of macronutrients. This smoothie provides a combination of carbohydrates from bananas, protein from peanut butter, and healthy fats, resulting in a well-rounded meal. The peanut butter advantage. The inclusion of peanut butter in this smoothie isn't just about flavor. It offers significant benefits. These fats are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, making peanut butter a heart-healthy choice for those on a weight loss journey. Customizable and versatile. The peanut butter banana smoothie is highly customizable. You can personalize it to suit your preferences and dietary restrictions. Add spinach or kale for extra greens, a scoop of protein powder for an additional protein boost, or a drizzle of honey for sweetness. Are you ready to start your weight loss journey and make positive changes to your health? Don't wait any longer. The path to a healthier, slimmer you starts now. Check the Smoothie Diet website page and take the first step towards achieving your goals. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.